Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to check device detail in ERPCA. On Users page, we will see Device Detail button. Click on this. Device information pop-up box will appear. We will see that list of devices which are connected right now. We can release the particular device by click on Release Device button. Click Yes if we are sure about to release device. We will see message about release device successfully. We can also check device detail by click on Action drop-down button for that respective user. Select View option. We will see the user information pop-up window. Here we can also find device detail. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.